Buying journeys have a new starting point. Most often, this starting point is an AI search engine that's guiding buying decisions. Half of the consumers say generative AI has changed how they research online. In fact, 68% of searches now end in 0 clicks. Here's the shift that changes everything. AI models don't evaluate exact match keywords. They evaluate whether your content is the most credible, relevant answer to a user's question. That means the brands that show up aren't necessarily the ones with the highest domain authority. They're the ones AI trusts enough to cite. That's where Generative Engine Optimization comes in. It combines SEO with AI content optimization strategies to make your content machine readable. Our GEO experts can help you find out where AI already sees you and close the gaps where it doesn't. Here's how we help you get there. We start by auditing your current AI visibility, where you're being cited, where you're being ignored, and why. Then we build a content strategy that works for both search engines and AI models, so you're not choosing between the two. We make sure your brand shows up consistently across AI platforms, not just Google. And we optimize your images, videos, and digital assets with AI-readable metadata, so every piece of content works harder for your visibility. The brands that win in AI search aren't waiting to be discovered. They're building the kind of content AI chooses to trust. Let's build that for you. To learn more, visit www.grazitti.com or drop us a line at info@grazitti.com, and our GEO specialists will take it from there.